Boo! Look what we got. What is this? Nobody else even has this, Boo. You know what that is? You don't even know what it is. You gonna open it and see? Let's check it out. What's inside? What is it? Be careful with it. Oh look, you took it out of the sleeve. That was protecting it. Whoa, what is that, Boo? Dang, that's the new iPhone, Boo. That's the iPhone Pro? How did you get that? How did you get it? Yeah, that's the power button. You turn it on. Look, turn it on. Turn it on. Press the button. Here. Press the button, turn it on. Ready? Ooh, look at that. Like it? Look how big the screen is. Yeah. It's cool, isn't it? It sounded like you said, What are you doing? It's got a better camera, Boo. Look at that. See it? See the camera? Oh, don't bite it. Don't bite it. Don't bite it. He's just concerned with flipping it. You like it? It's fun to play with, ain't it? Huh? 3, 2, 1, catch. Oh! What do you think about it, Boo? Is that a cool iPhone? You like it? You think people are gonna like that one? Tell him bye, Boo. Tell him subscribe. He's gonna play with his new iPhone.